Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this shake video transition on CapCut PC. So select your video and you're going to go to the part where it kind of has a slow motion. If it doesn't, you just add your own. It's pretty simple. And I am going to go to animation here, sorry. And I'm going to select swing bottom. And I'm going to make the duration as small as possible. Then go to effects, find oblique blur, and find the one that you can adjust the effect. So the first one. Add it on top and make it as small as the video animation here. Put the blur of 200 and the rotation to 50%. Okay. And if you want to, you could add in the slow motion here. Go to speed and go to custom and then go from slow mode to like normal mode and make sure you add smooth slow motion to it. But I think my video has slow motion, so I don't need to, but here's where you can basically add it. Don't forget to add optical flow. And this is what it should look like. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!